Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the first 10 days of May. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. And if you want to get a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yes, extra readings are there on Instagram in Hindi as well as in English, and you can follow me there as Surabhi Tarot. Okay, so Pisces. This one wants to come out, perhaps. Well, let's see what the other deck has to add to the story. Okay, let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Pisces. What is the guidance for Pisces? Okay. Okay. Two cards have come out, so let it be. I'll include both of them. So okay, let's get started. It's a very, let's see. Anyway, so somebody or you wants to move very passionately towards something. It's like just want to rush in towards someone. It can be you, it can be the other person, and this person is just not even thinking much about it, not thinking rationally about it also, but they just want to rush in. They just want to move without caring of the consequences, whatever the situation is. Okay, now I'm able to make some sense out of this. I was feeling as if this reading is quite confusing, but yeah, it has a mixture of energies. It has a quite a bit of mixture of energies, but yeah, okay. So there is somebody who wants to move in very towards something very passionately and at any cost. They just want this thing or this person at any cost, whatever the consequences are, type of an energy, and they want to move in very fast towards it, and they are least bothered about the consequences, also least bothered, not even rationalizing their actions, and there there is no judgment at all. Judgment is they just want it, as simple as that. It's not that whatever they are moving towards is wrong. I'm not saying that they are moving towards a wrong thing or a wrong person. No, it is an energy which moves in very fast. They just want to get it. It's like that. I want this thing at any cost, whatever it be. Whatever happens, happens. It's something like that. It's not a negative energy in that way that it is a negative energy. No, but the only thing is the fastness of it. Okay, it is a very fast energy. It's only that is the only thing. Okay, it's not that it's a wrong thing to do. And here is somebody it's so, and here is somebody who is just standing alone, trying to take a decision over something, trying to decide which direction to follow, what to do, what not to do. Okay, and here with the Seven of Cups is somebody who has, so I think this is the other person. So one person is totally glued to the target, what they want to achieve, this person or this opportunity, whatever it is. They want to rush in towards somebody or something or someone. And here is another person who is trying to make a decision, who is confused and is trying to make a decision of the next move. And this person is giving all the time in the world to take a decision. Okay, so this is energy of another person. It can be you, it can be them. Okay, it's because the cards, the way they have come out, it's quite an erratic way of coming out. It's okay, so anyway, so it is somebody here who is totally confused, or they have many ideas in their head, they have many opportunities, many options, whatever it is, but they are taking the time to take the right decision. They know that they have the talent, they know they have the quality in them, and they want to take the right decision basically. So this is somebody who is actually putting in an effort of thinking and making the right move. Okay, and then here we have a celebration. Here we have the happiness. I'll see if I need to take the clarifier for what is all this happiness about, because here is some happiness which is immediately followed by the Four of Swords. Here is somebody who is totally surrendering and not doing much. A lot of healing is going on. They have left things to the situation, whatever the situation is. So here is somebody who is not taking any action. This person doesn't, he has had enough of it. They want their own time. They don't want to make a move. They have, it is a total surrender to a situation. Maybe this person this is a memory of a past event, perhaps, which was a celebration. Maybe they've had those good times. And here we have the Page of Swords. Again, there is, well, here what I'm feeling is, I'll see what this celebration is all about, or happy times are all about. But definitely after the Four of Swords, a total surrender of the situation comes in the clarity in mind. You come to a conclusion, you come to a decision, you are able to see some sort of you get a new idea or a new clarity in your mind as to, yeah, this is the direction which I can take and this is how I can move forward. It is something like that over here. But with the Four of Cups, still there is some sort of reluctancy. Though the ideas are there, the healing has occurred to some extent, that you are in a position of moving forward, but yes, some sort of reluctancy is still there. Some sort of reluctancy is still there. So I think this is the energy of the same person who is taking the time to take a decision to move forward, but they are not doing so. There is no movement as for now. That is what I said. This person wants to rush in very fast, and this person is not making a move because they have n number of things on their head, and they are taking all the time to decide, and they are still deciding. It is all waiting here. It is all waiting here. And it can be the waiting is because they have totally surrendered to the situation, something. They are being wise enough now to take the right decision. So though they have the clarity in their head, they get some sort of an idea, they get a new idea over here, but they are still reluctant to accept anything new. It's something like that over here. Again here we have the Chariot. So again it is that's what I said, it is a mixture of energies. So here again there is with the Four of Cups and with the Five of Cups, somebody is very reluctant in taking a decision. And what I feel here is this lack of decision and taking so much of time in deciding what to do and where to move and what to do next is coming from this energy of something, some event obviously which has obviously troubled this person, whosoever this person is, you or them. So this is coming from this person who has totally surrendered to the situation because they are very depressed. They are still focused on the negative aspects of life. They are still not able to come out of the negativity, basically not able to take advantage of the opportunities which are coming their way, or the new friendships or new relationships which are coming their way, whatever it is. So this person has still not come out of, they have totally surrendered. They don't want to accept anything new. It's something like that. Too depressed, too focused on the negative. So this is that vibe of the person. So what I feel here is with the Chariot here, okay, I'll leave the Chariot here again, otherwise it will be a very big mixture here. Because somebody, whosoever this person is, who is reluctant and feeling very negative and depressed, is trying to walk away from those turbulence of events, is trying to heal, is trying to move away from the negative situation. This person wants to leave this negative situation. This person wants to come out of this negativity, wants to come out of this negative energy of the fact that they are depressed. So they want to come out of this depression. They are working hard towards it. With the Eight of Pentacles, this person is working hard to come out of it, and that is what they are doing. So this is what this person is doing. Okay, so this person is focused on themselves, on working on themselves, healing, so that they are able to come out of this negative situation and this depression or this whatever they are upset about, and they are moving away from this. Okay, and here we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So what I get here is, so this person is focused on themselves, they are working hard, they are struggling to come out of it, and they are trying to balance the situation in their life. So this person is not taking in any relationship as for now. This person is not ready for a new opportunity as for now, any relationship, any opportunity, whatever it is. This person is totally focused on themselves. They are struggling to balance their own lives, basically. They are struggling to get things right on their own front. Okay, and here it can be, see this Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords can be, as I started, that this is somebody who is moving towards you, or maybe it was you who did it and repenting sort of, but because we have the Chariot also, I feel it is somebody else only. So it is the energy of this person who is trying to balance the situation. And here we have the Page of Pentacles, that yes, with the Page of Pentacles, again with the Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles, so those minimum or the minimal effects or in the positive directions are coming in. So here they have the clarity, they know they can do something about it, they want to come out of it. These are the small efforts which they are trying to do on themselves. And again, what happens is, once you are able to come out of that negativity and then again you go back into that negative phase, you are still scared whenever an opportunity comes in. Okay, I am okay, feeling okay, but when an opportunity or some person comes to you offering their love or their, no, 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 I don't want it, I'm so scared. It's because, okay, I am fine on my own, but nothing, I don't want anything else. I don't want you to come in, I don't want anybody else to, I don't want that mess up again in my life, something like that, because I've already, this person is already so focused or uh, depressed or still not come out of that negative energy or that negative experience, that they don't want anything, they don't want now anything. It's something like that, though they themselves perhaps are happy on their own. Okay, so they've come out of the Four of Swords energy after surrender, after healing, they are okay with themselves, but they don't want anybody else. It's something like that. And they are walking away, building their own things, focused on their work. I think it is all about work. They are focused on work. They are struggling somehow, trying to balance the situation, struggling to set their life on path. And again, with the Page of Pentacles, what I feel is that is their only goal. That is their only goal. They just want to focus on themselves. They really don't want, they're not ready for anything else actually. And here with the Seven of Hearts, it talks about the secret feelings of someone, secret feelings or new feelings, or it can be sort of, it is, these are the secret feelings which sometimes develop in your heart and the other person doesn't know. It is something like that. Okay, so there are many imaginations over here. There are many feelings over here. This person is imagining a lot. Secrets are there, new feelings are there. So what I feel here is that this can be the energy of this person who wants to rush in. Okay, because I left the one card in between, which was the Chariot, and it is a major arcana. It cannot be ignored. I just left it because it was, I didn't want to confuse the entire reading. So here I think it is talking about the Chariots also. They move very fast. It is action. Somebody wants to move in pretty fast, very fast, because what I feel here is this person is imagining n number of things. They have new feelings. They have soft feelings towards this person. Okay, and maybe that was the offer they tried to bring in, but this person is not ready to accept. Okay, so these are the secret feelings. Maybe they have just not being even told, because this person wants to come in very fast but still has not reached you. It's something like that. They have not, they are on the way, they want to rush in very fast is the energy. And this person has secret feelings for you. They are imagining n number of things. They are maybe imagining a family or a castle with you, whatever. They have soft feelings for you and they want to rush in very fast. This is the energy of this person. Okay, and this person with the Chariot, this person again wants to move fast. This is fast. They have decided to take an action, so they will act. This is the energy of this another person. Okay, now I'm keeping these cards over here. This is the energy of the person who wants to rush in, and these are the energies of the person, I think it's Pisces, you, who are, and they maybe this is are those imaginations. Okay, I'll when once I go and offer them my love, we'll celebrate together and we'll do this and we'll do that. Okay, so it can be that this is all about the energy of this person. Okay, I'll put them together here. So what I feel here is these are the energies of this person who wants to rush in very fast. They have new feelings, they have soft feelings, and they are looking in for a celebration. Okay, they are imagining that, yeah, once I go and tell her, or once I go and tell him, everything will be okay and things will start moving forward and we will celebrate. But here is another person who had a hard time, and they are working on building themselves. They are not ready for any relationship now. They are not focused on that. They are focused on themselves. Okay, they have had enough of this heartbreak. It has been a long time that they have surrendered themselves to the situation, and okay, I've had enough of it and nothing more. I just let me live my life in peace, and that is what they are choosing. And here with the Successful, number 21 or number 3 may be of some significance for you. Successful completion. This is a time of incredible accomplishment. You are justified in feeling joy, a sense of completion and pride in amazing job you have done. You've been blessed with many spiritual insights. Soon you will begin a new journey, but for now, take the time to bask in the happiness of your dreams coming true. So basically, it is a completion of the inner work. It is a completion of what needs to be healed. It is a completion of the journey which this person is building on themselves. This is the energy of a person. What I get is a completion. This is what they are focusing on themselves. They are building, struggling to, they are struggling to balance their life. Okay, this is the energy. Yeah, they are the efforts, and efforts will start paying off. So this is somebody who wants to set their life on path, and this is the accomplishment of this tough journey which they have undergone by working on themselves, and they have worked hard on themselves, and now it is a completion, and they'll feel happy. Obviously you'll feel happy about it. It is something like that. So soon you will begin a new journey, but for now, as for now, it is the right thing that you are doing. Just take the time that you have taken, heal yourself, and just bask in that happiness. Okay, that is what your energy is. I don't want anybody, so be happy with that. Be happy alone. Just be happy. Here number 41 may be of some significance for you, number 5 or number 26 or number 8 may be of some significance for you. Do something for someone, give your attention to another. So basically here, what I feel here is, it is the kindness, and it is all about healing, being in touch with nature, it is the time you are doing the kind acts you are doing to somebody which brings happiness to you. It is something like that. Okay, give your attention to the other person so that you are able to heal fast, and you are able to come out of this negative situation fast. It's all about healing and spiritual growth. New love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work prospects or for spiritual growth. So this is a new love. This is the new love. You are working on yourself, the spiritual growth you are working on, and maybe this is the energy of a person also here who is ready to come in and who wants to come in. So that may be the new love or the new journey which this card is also talking about. So let's see what the future holds. But yes, definitely you are working on yourself, and you are as for now not ready for anyone entering in your life. You just want to be alone, you want to be left alone, you want to be happy alone. Okay, that's what you are focusing on, Pisces, and it is a very good thing to do, and it is really incredible. Okay, so thank you, and that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.